This tutorial will teach you the most common way to set up your inline fan in a grow tent. It's important to pick the proper size system for your tent, and details on what size you should get for the most common tent sizes are linked in the description. Once your tent is set up, choose a location where your fan will be hung. A complete kit such as this one will come with the controller, inline fan, carbon filter, and duct. We're gonna install the system right in that corner, and this will filter out smells and exhaust air right through that duct. The fan will connect to the duct on one end, and the carbon filter will connect to the opposite end. First, place your duct on top of the tent so that one end is right above the vent you're exhausting to. Slightly pull it down so that it drops about 6 inches into the tent. Next, hang the straps to hold your carbon filter. Hold the clip forward like this so that the strap is in the back and you could see one gap below and 2 gaps above. Carefully pull the strap back so that it completely straightens out, then slide it up and over the hanging pole and return it back to the plastic clip. You want to needle it through that center slot, pull it up and back through that top slot, then pull the strap tighter until it's slightly bigger than the carbon filter's diameter. Do the same thing with the second strap and then spread the 2 straps apart as wide as the length of your carbon filter. Then place your carbon filter inside and tighten the straps one by one. Next, we want to hang the rope clip hangers for the inline fan. Unloosen the hangers so that they're about 2 feet long, then push the clip without the pulley above and behind the top pole. Do this with the other one as well. We'll be fishing this clip through the gap in the inline fan and clip it back to itself. Just keep in mind, you want to make sure that the direction that the arrow is pointing points towards the vent. Drop the clips through the gap and then clip each end back to itself. When both clips are on, you can tighten them one by one, making sure that the weight is evenly distributed and it's aligned with the carbon filter. Now, grab one of the clamps that's included with your kit and place it around the end of the duct. Then take this duct and place it over the open end of the inline fan, then tighten it on. The last thing I like to do is secure the center of the system with some aluminum tape. Next, you want to plug your fan to your controller along with your probe, then place your controller outside the tent and plug your devices in. Now place your vent so that it's pointing away from your tent. Place the probe somewhere in the tent near where your plants will be and seal all the vents except for one of the lower ones to let cool, fresh air in. The only thing left is to set the controls. For a video on how to program the unit, check the link on the top right. For a video on how to set up a tent or to hang your grow light, click the videos linked here.